VFX stands for visual effects, is the art of creating images in post-production that we can't capture during filming. Whether it's because it's too dangerous, impossible, or just super expensive to do in real life, that's where VFX comes in. Now, how does this magic happen? The process of making VFX can be broken down into a lot of steps, but today we'll focus on one crucial stage: digital compositing. Digital compositing is like the final puzzle. It's the process where we combine different visual elements like live action footage, CGI, and special effects into one seamless image. Without it, VFX just wouldn't work. Let's break it down into 4 key techniques used in digital compositing. First, we've got keying. This is where we remove a specific color, usually green or blue, from the footage so we can replace the background with whatever we want. Think of it like cutting out a sticker and pasting it onto a new picture. Next is rotoscoping, which is a bit more hands-on. This involves tracing over objects or people frame by frame to separate them from the background. It's painstaking work, but essential for creating clean visuals. And there's painting. This is where VFX artists fix any unwanted elements in the footage to ensure the final shot looks perfect. Painting involves removing objects or imperfections that shouldn't be in the scene, like tracking markers, stunt wires, reflections, or even crew members accidentally caught on camera. Finally, there's tracking, where we analyze the camera's movement in a live action shot and use that data to align computer-generated elements perfectly. Without tracking, CGI would just float around like it doesn't belong. By combining techniques like keying, rotoscoping, painting, and tracking, VFX artists can create visuals that transport us to new worlds, bring impossible creatures to life, and tell stories that feel larger than life. So, that's a quick intro to VFX and digital compositing. If this got you excited to learn more, stick around because in the next video, we'll dive into CGI and how it works in the world of VFX. And hey, what's your favorite VFX scene in a movie or show? Let me know in the comments.